Hey Patrick, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was actually thinking about my weekend today. It was kind of funny and kind of strange. But anyway, how are you, Shirley?
I'm doing great, thanks. A little sleepy, but good. I woke up late today.
You? Late? No way. You always wake up early.
I know. But today, I just stayed in bed. I looked at the clock and I was like, no, not ready. So I closed my eyes again.
Love that. That's a perfect morning.
Yeah, sometimes we need that slow morning. So before we talk about our weekends, maybe we should introduce ourselves for the audience.
Oh yeah, good idea. All right. Hi, everyone. I'm Patrick. I'm from the United States. I love hiking. I love coffee. And I love talking about simple everyday life.
And I'm Shirley, also from the US. I like reading, baking, and learning little things about people's lives. We make these conversations to help you learn English in a natural, friendly way.
Exactly. We talk slow, we use very simple English, and we talk just like normal friends.
So today's topic is talk about your weekend.
Oh yeah, and I have some stories.
I'm ready. Let's go. Main conversation, weekend stories. Part 1, a slow and strange morning.
Okay, so my weekend started in a very weird way. On Saturday morning, I woke up because I heard something loud, like bam, bam, bam.
Oh no, what was it?
I thought it was someone knocking on my door, but when I opened the door, nobody was there.
That's scary.
Yeah, I was like, hello? Anybody? But it was just the wind. My trash can fell over. The lid was hitting the ground again and again.
Oh my gosh. So you woke up thinking someone was breaking in?
Exactly. My heart was racing. I was half asleep, confused, holding a blanket like it was a weapon.
A blanket? That's your defense?
Hey, when you're scared, anything helps.
Sure. So what happened next?
Well, after that, I couldn't fall back asleep. So I made coffee, sat on the couch, and watched the rain outside.
Oh, that sounds peaceful.
It was. The rain was soft, slow, relaxing. And I thought to myself, you know what? I'm not going anywhere today.
A home day?
Yes, a stay in your pajamas all day.
Those are the best. Part 2, Shirley's cozy morning. My Saturday morning was very different. I woke up early, well, earlier than today. I made a big breakfast, eggs, toast, some fruit.
Wow, that's a serious breakfast.
Yeah, I felt like being, productive. I cleaned my living room, I did laundry, I even watered my plants.
Okay, that is productive.
But then, after all that, I sat on the couch for a moment and accidentally fell asleep again.
The classic just 5 minute snap.
Exactly. And suddenly, 2 hours gone.
That's the best nap, though.
True. I woke up with hair everywhere and no memory of falling asleep.
So did you feel good after or more tired?
Honestly, more tired, but in a funny way. Like my body was like, shh, go back to sleep.
Your body was like, shh, go back to sleep.
Yes, something like that. So after my peaceful rainy morning, I decided to cook something new for lunch.
Oh no, something tells me this did not end well.
You already know. I tried to make homemade soup.
Soup, that's not so hard.
It is when you add too much garlic.
How much did you add?
Maybe 8 cloves?
8? Patrick, that's not soup. That's vampire protection.
I know, but I love garlic. The whole house smelled like Italy. My neighbors probably smelled it too.
Did it taste terrible?
It tasted strong, very strong. Like the soup was yelling at me.
Hey, I'm garlic.
Exactly.
Part 4. Shirley goes shopping and gets lost.
My Saturday afternoon was interesting too. I went to a big store to buy some things, just small things, shampoo, toothpaste, snacks.
Normal stuff.
Yes. But somehow I got lost inside the store.
What? How?
I went in for 3 items, but then I walked by the candle section. Then I walked by the kitchen section. Then I walked by the things you don't need section.
Yes, my favorite section.
I looked around and thought, where am I? It felt like I was in a different country.
Stores are dangerous like that.
I went in for shampoo. I left with a pillow, 2 candles, and a bag of chocolate.
Classic weekend shopping.
Yeah. And then I realized I forgot the shampoo.
No.
Yes, I had to go back inside like a lost child. After my garlic soup disaster, I went outside to take out the trash, and my neighbor, he's like 70 years old, he was outside too. Aw, I love old neighbors. They're so sweet. He waved and said, "Smells like someone's cooking Italian food." Oh no. I said, yeah, something like that. He smiled and said, "Bring me some next time." Oh, that's cute. Yeah, he's really friendly. We talked for maybe 20 minutes about weather, about his garden, about how time goes fast. That sounds nice. It was. Sometimes a simple conversation with a neighbor feels good, like a small human moment. I like that. Weekends need those small moments. On Saturday evening, I baked cookies.
Ooh, what kind?
Chocolate chip.
Classic. Perfect.
Yeah, the simple kind. But something funny happened. I baked 1 tray of cookies. Then I stepped outside for 1 minute to get the mail.
Uh-oh.
When I came back, my dog was standing on the chair eating the cookies.
No way. Laughs loudly.
Yes, he ate like 3, maybe 4.
Is chocolate bad for dogs?
Yes, but it was mostly dough, not real chocolate, so he was fine. But he looked at me like, what? I did nothing wrong.
Dogs always act innocent. They're like, this cookie? No, it just disappeared.
Exactly.
Sunday was more exciting. My friend invited me to a small hiking trail.
Oh, nice. How was it?
Beautiful. The weather was perfect. Blue sky, cool air, quiet forest. We walked for 2 hours.
That sounds so peaceful.
Yeah, and at one point, we stopped near a small lake. The water was so still, like a mirror.
I love that. It feels like your mind becomes quiet too.
Exactly. I felt calm, not thinking about work, stress, anything.
That's the magic of nature.
True. And then, funny part, my friend slipped on a rock.
Oh no!
Don't worry, he didn't fall, just did a little dance to stop himself.
I can see it now.
He looked like he was in a cartoon.
My Sunday was simple. I visited my parents.
Aw, I love that.
We talked, laughed, had lunch. My mom made her special chicken soup.
Probably better than my soup.
Definitely. We sat outside in the sun and just talked about life.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. Sometimes weekends don't need big adventures, just time with people you love.
True.
Part 9, the Sunday night feeling.
You know that feeling on Sunday night?
Oh, yes. That the weekend is ending feeling.
Yes, you're like happy, but also a little sad.
And thinking, I didn't do everything I wanted.
Exactly. But also thinking, it's okay, I needed rest.
Yeah. My Sunday night was quiet. A shower, a cup of tea, and an early bedtime.
Mine too. I watched one episode of a show. then brushed my teeth and said, "Okay, Patrick, sleep."
Good job. Ending, takeaway, and reflection. So, what did we learn about our weekends?
Pauses, thinks. I learned that simple days are good. Rain, bad soup, a friendly neighbor, a quiet hike. It all felt human.
I like that. I learned that rest is important, naps are important, family is important, and cookies must be protected from dogs.
Yes. And for our listeners, weekends don't need to be perfect or exciting.
Just real.
Just honest.
Just you taking care of yourself.
And maybe laughing at small things.
We hope our slow, simple English conversation helped you relax and learn.
Thanks for listening, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye.